Russia is known for its stunningly beautiful women. With their striking features, graceful demeanor, and captivating charm, Russian women have always been admired around the world. Whether it's their mesmerizing eyes, flawless complexion, or elegant style, there is no denying the allure of these women. Russian women take great pride in their appearance and always strive to look their best. From their meticulously styled hair to their impeccable fashion sense, they exude confidence and sophistication. Whether they're attending a social event or simply going about their daily lives, Russian women always manage to turn heads with their impeccable sense of style. But it's not just their physical beauty that sets Russian women apart. They are also known for their strong character and resilience. Growing up in a country with a rich cultural heritage, Russian women are raised to be independent, intelligent, and ambitious. They are well-educated and value knowledge and self-improvement. Their strong work ethic and determination make them successful in various fields. From business and politics to arts and sciences, Russian women are also incredibly family-oriented. They place a high value on their relationships and take great pride in being loving and caring partners and mothers. Family is at the center of their lives, and they go above and beyond to create a warm and nurturing environment for their loved ones. Russian women are known for their loyalty and dedication, making them ideal life partners. In addition to their physical beauty and strong character, Russian women are also known for their warmth and hospitality. They have a genuine and inviting nature that makes people feel welcome and cherished.